me see your hands! Stop right there!
Get through what I'm doing! Run behind the house!
Behind the house, 2320.
Hey, stop right there! He's going back towards the other residence! Back where 36 was.
Where's he at, kid?
Right there, right at your feet! Right there! Do not move! Straight ahead! That's the front!
210 everyone, we have contact.
Right now!
Giving commands.
Wait, don't go. Wait. Come out right now to the sound of my voice.
Right here!
Guys,
Or you're gonna get bit.
Do it now! Roll out!
Come out right now or you're gonna get bit.
walk out.
Out here, right the fuck down.
Sorry guys, my radio's cut now.
Right to me.
210, we're giving verbal. He's complying. We're 10-12. We got contact. There you go.
What did I do wrong?
We'll explain it when we're out of the woods. All right.
Thank you.
Right now, we're just concerned about you. There you go.
Sir. Yeah.
Can you duck under that for me, buddy?
All right, walk to me.
Thanks. All right. There you go. Watch out for my night vision. It's on the floor. I got it. Yeah. Thanks. All right.
Listen, right now you're being detained, so we're going to read you Miranda.
All right, sir. What was your name, Michael?
Michael Graham.
All right, sir. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have him with you now or at any time during questioning.
Hey, good.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one be appointed to you. If at any time you want to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions will stop at your understanding. Do you understand these rights?
So I'm just gonna go back over there and see if
Sir, do you understand these rights?
I can't understand anything when they're yanking on my freaking cuffs,
I saw him in the
which
car.
they know they're doing.
So I saw him in the car at the Kia Soul.
Okay.
Right around the corner, actually.
What's the address?
8 Zanzibar, Boston, Port. 8 Zanzibar, Boston, Port.
This your bike, bud?
Yes, sir.
Is that, could you take it for you?
Well, you gonna take it?
It's evidence.
No, I would not like you to take
Well,
it.
when you get released from jail, then you can just go over there and grab it. And
Well, you asked me if I'd like you to take it. I said no.
You just want us to leave it here?
Yes.
Well, we got to impound it, bud.
Well, you asked me if I like it.
Yeah, that's what I felt.
Go ahead. I told you I have a pocket knife.
Yeah, that's why we were just assuming.
Don't rip my fucking arms off.
You guys want to talk?